Good day, everyone. This is Ron A. Magsakay, and I'll be discussing the part 2 of 14, Module 4. And my topic is about the basics of social marketing for effective planning, key social marketing concepts. By the end of my report, should be able to know the importance of developing a strategy appropriate to your social marketing, social mobilization, describe media combinations that could be considered in social marketing strategies, apply an appropriate social marketing strategy to your social marketing or social mobilization program. Before I start my topic, let's do a quick recap about the meaning of social marketing and social mobilization. Social marketing, as defined by Cutler, is a design, implementation, and control of programs calculated to influence the acceptability of social ideas, involving consideration of product, planning, pricing, communications, and market research. It also focuses on the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion, primarily to influence consumer or media behavior for socially desirable products such as health, supplements, or devices. However, social mobilization is about the process of bringing together all feasible and practical intersectoral and social allies to raise people awareness of and demand for a particular development program, to assist in delivery of resources and services, and to strengthen community participation for sustainability and self-reliance. In Module 3, we discuss about the different steps in developing social marketing strategies. As described by Duxbury Lewis, it is about number 1, the campaign purpose, number 2, target audience objectives, number 3, set objectives and smart targets, 4, analyze the barriers and benefits of desired behavior. Number 5 is about the 4 Ps: product, price, place, promotion, develop tools, and behavior competition that address product, price, place, and promotion. Right now, in my report, we'll be discussing the media for social marketing and social mobilization. We will be selecting the appropriate factor for successful communication campaign. This effective social marketing and social mobilization should also take into consideration on how the new media right now, especially the social networking sites like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, power or overpower the traditional media. However, we still don't forget the traditional media because still the use of the traditional media or the social marketing right now is still effective. However, you should know what kind of product will you offer, and also you should know who will be your consumer. For example, if your product is you will offering it to the senior citizen, do you think which one is effective? The traditional one or the new way of marketing? Because most people or most senior citizen people didn't use the platform or didn't use that or not very much familiar in using that the new the social media platform. That's why still always remember who is your target consumer. And with that, if your target consumer are the senior citizen, I think the face-to-face or the traditional way of marketing is the one that it will be applicable to this. However, right now, there is an increasing needs for companies to engage with the consumers via social media, which demand of understanding the function of media that allows a brand to break through silos of push marketing and build bridge using integration of social marketing. Because as we know, right now, the social marketing is very much in demand. It allows brand to connect other marketing channels and streamline the approach. Now, let's discuss about 5 functions of effective social marketing strategy. Prior to the launch of social networks, the only way that company receive feedback regarding a product is how they send letters or they do a actual survey of the person. That's how do they listen, right? Next, analyzation, engage, influence, measure. Let's discuss the 5 functions of effective social marketing strategy one by one. Listen. For the effective social marketing strategy, we need to listen about our consumer on how to improve our products, right? Or which product is effective or which products they like most. And right now, using the new social media way, it's very easy. They just do their comments and then, or they just send an email, or there is a survey that they just do the click and then by the real time, you already know their comments or their suggestions about on how to improve the products. Another one is about the analyze. Analyzation. As an accountant, we do the analyzation about the problems, about the data, about the answers. Like what they said, you need to have an analytical mind. And also in the social marketing, you also need to analyze. Analyze your people. Analyze your consumers. Analyze their answer. Analyze their comments. Analyze their feedback. Engage. A thorough analysis will be an asset to helping you engage with consumers. Engagement within your social circle can be built by leveraging our 3 pillars. And what are these 3 pillars is? 3 pillars of social media engagement strategy. The sample application monitors conversation from social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Then organize the information into 3 main actions. Like what I said, the 3 pillars of social media engagement strategy, which is the social marketing, social support, and career inquiries. By listening to what users say online, the system helps the organization engage with customers, respond to concern quickly, and route job-related questions to proper team. This improves communication, customer satisfaction, and overall brand image. Influence is also one of the most important 5 functions of effective social marketing strategy. You see a lot of people, especially in digital platform, a lot of influencer are promoting products, and these are those successful marketing strategy As you engage more consumer with your brand, you create more influencers. This is important as 54% of all purchase decisions are driven by word of mouth. Both internal and external influencers can be a huge asset to the growth of your brand on social networks. And through continuous interactions, your consumers can become passionate and expert about your brand and your company. They are more likely to speak, tell it, and tell to their friends to buy this product, the credibility of the products, and it's really an effective way for the marketing strategy because the influence of that you influence the people, they also influence other people to buy the products. Let's discuss about Google Plus and Ripples. Before when the launch of Google Plus pages, marketers have become even more interested in how to best spread their messaging more effectively across the unknown territory of Google Plus. Almost everyone using the Google Plus to explore the impact of profiles pages, marketing efforts, and to examine Ripple's post. What is Ripples? Ripples is a feature that was launched, I think, a week or 2 weeks before Google Plus pages. But it is important. Nevertheless, with any post at this time limited to posts that are widely shared, you can see who and how the particular piece content being shared on Google. The last effective marketing strategy is the measures. But it is the most important component of social media. Measurement lets you understand the success of these elements of the social marketing campaign. Through measurement, you will know how many buy the products, how many want the products, how many give the positive feedback on these products. And with that, you can have the interpretation on how effective is your marketing. It is how effective is your product, how effective your services. That's why measures is really important part of the marketing strategy. Before I end my report, I want to share to you the quote by Seth Godin. Marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories you tell. Social marketing thrives on storytelling and connection. Again, this is Rona A. Magsakay. Thank you for listening, analyzing, engaging. I hope I influence you and measure my report. And hopefully that you have your response in the discussion forum. Thank you so much for listening to my report.